conversation thinking, well, that went nowhere. Maybe you offered some advice that didn't land. Or perhaps you were trying to help, but they still seemed stuck. Well, here's a real one. Maybe you were so busy thinking about what to say next that you missed the true opportunity to connect. I get it. We've all been there. We've all been in those moments where we want to help, but somehow the conversation just doesn't go where we hoped. But the truth is, a lot of us were never really taught how to create the kind of space that allows fresh ideas to flow or where true insight can emerge. We're often taught to fix, to provide answers, but sometimes that's not what people need. Sometimes they need space. I'm Mike Schwarzer, and I want to invite you to the art of quiet conversation. Now, this isn't just another program. Rather, it's an experience where one that helps you tap into the magic of quiet strengths. Here's the truth. The most powerful conversations aren't necessarily about the words you speak. They happen in the space you create. It's that quiet presence, that ability to really be there with someone that lets them uncover their own insights. So this program isn't about learning new tools, tricks, or gimmicks, although we toss a few in. Rather, it's about how you show up in the moment and create room for others to tap into their own genius. So you'll experience firsthand how to help others unlock their wisdom without trying to fix anything. So in this program, you'll get to explore the power of presence, where you discover what it means to be fully present and how to hold space that draws out real insight. What it feels like to deeply listen, so people hear themselves in a whole new way, and a new way of guiding conversations, where you won't need all the answers. It's about inviting wisdom and clarity to emerge, and through that helping others to find their own direction. So this isn't about walking away with a checklist of things to do. It's about walking away with a deeper understanding of how to be, how to show up for others in a way that allows them to tap into their own breakthroughs. And when you truly embody this, when you understand the power of quiet strengths and presence, your conversations won't just be different. You'll be different. And those you interact with, they feel it. They feel heard, they are seen and valued in a way that sparks new thinking and action. And it will deepen your connection, and you'll notice the impact you can have. So if you're ready to experience what it means to create conversations that matter, if you're ready to tap into a level of connection that can truly change everything, then come and join me. Let's explore the magic of quiet strengths together.